How to delete entire Google search history. The process works on both mobile devices and computers. First, open your web browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account whose search history you want to delete. If you're using the wrong account, tap or click your profile picture in the top right corner and switch to the correct one. Once you're on the Google My Activity page, select Delete Activity By. You'll see several time range options, including last hour, last day, custom range, and all time. To remove your complete Google search history, choose All Time. Next, you'll be asked which Google products you want to delete activity from. If you only want to clear your Google search history, deselect the other services and leave Search selected. Or if you'd like to delete activity from other Google services as well, simply keep those selected. Now tap Next to review the activity that will be removed. If everything looks correct, select Delete to permanently delete your chosen Google activity. That's it. Your Google search history has now been deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.